the first day of Dunefest here, and we're actually at the KOA dunes that are down just south, about 10 minutes south. We're getting ready, getting up early here, trying to get in there earlier, get in line so we can get our checked in and then get onto the sand and get set up for camping. So our friends there, they're over there. You can't really see them, but they're gonna follow us afterwards. So drive up's been basically 2 days of driving, not too bad, and we're excited to get set up and start enjoying the dune.
Thank you. You too. It's a little sandy at the very beginning, so you want to throw it in the four-wheel drive before you pull off the pavement because you have to air down.
All right, so we're here at Dunefest. Just got our tickets and everything. So now we're airing down the tires on the truck. Take it down to about 20 PSI. 15 if it's real bad. Might actually do 15 because this sand is really soft. Gonna try and find a good camping spot. Hopefully we find something that looks good. Have some space. My buddy Andy, he's way over there. He's gonna scout out behind those trees. Hopefully there's something kind of cool over there. We'll see.
Oh yeah, okay, go down, keep going. Is there kind of a little bit downhill right there? Because I could maybe stop and scope it out. I don't know if I want to stop though. 15 on the trailer, 20 on the truck.
Am I good, Gavin? I can't see with the mirror.
All right, I think it's tomato. Just here, deflate your tires.
We already got that.
There, dude.
I'm watching it from here. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You're good.
actually kind of on an uphill, but it ain't too bad. I think we're just gonna try and parallel them right next to me. So just need to turn your wheels to the left. You're just gonna parallel right into there. If you want to camp next to us, we're gonna put you like right there. So turn to the left, turn to the left, turn to the left, turn to the left, turn to the left. There you go. It's just experience. It's not speed. Turn to the left, turn to the left, left. There you go, left, 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 left. There you go. Okay, whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, this is bad.
Okay, whoop. Is this all right? You're not real level. You gonna be busy today?
I think so. It's my first year doing it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they asked me a month or so ago.
Nice. Nice. Yeah, you'll be busy all day, man. We're gonna go down and film some and watch how this stuff works for others. We just met these guys when they got stuck.
There's no way I'm even gonna get out of here without a trailer to go to town. I'm screwed.
Dude, I'm telling you, air down, you'll be fine.
Really?
Yeah, yeah, this guy's got to get unshackled though. He's got stuff to do. So if you're fine here,
Oh, that's right. I gotta do that.
yeah.
Like 0 PSI. Oh, I'm gonna DP the car. Damn it.
It's all right. I got you aired up.
Yeah, baby. Turn right here on the way out. Gonna have to. Or you want to back up a little bit? Let me back it up a little bit, Rob, so I have room in the morning to back out when I leave. Is this enough room between us?
Yeah, I think it's
I
fine.
kind of wish we had our...
Well, no, because we'll get shade,
Okay.
except for noon.
I'm gonna back it up real quick. Let's see if it goes backwards.
Hey, hold up. The razor's back there.
Tell her to...
What's the point in moving it backwards?
I don't know. Andy said move it backwards so I can get speed in the morning on Friday or Saturday.
I would just keep it right here.
Okay. Yeah, let's
Because if you're gonna move once, you're gonna have to move twice.
Yeah, so do you want me to...
If you're gonna move now, you're gonna have to move then.
Yeah, we're good. Let's just... Hey, Andy, we'll just leave it. Just tell him we'll leave it.
I mean, if anything, I would say pull forward.
You want me to... Well,
So we're kind of parallel. Actually, no, because then we can kind of hop over your trailer and stuff.
I'm gonna disconnect.
Yeah. Oh, that's perfect then, because then we don't.
Okay.
Yeah.